Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable a feature that only authenticated users can join meetings from web client on the Zoom website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device and tap on the My Account button in the upper right corner of the screen. Tap on the Settings button in the Personal section on the left side. Then tap on Meeting at the top of this section and scroll down to the Only authenticated users can join meetings from web client, meaning that the participants that you invite to your meeting need to authenticate at first in order to join the meetings from web client. So in order to turn it on, tap on this button and then your settings will be updated. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.